extravagant this year, Chef.
Thank you.
This is really beautiful. Thank you.
Thank you, thank you.
Alright, so I know we're all excited, but
We love the caldereta.
Ay, ito po, meron pa.
Hi, hi! You cannot go wrong on Dale's Catering Services, so try it.
Alright, thank you po. Hi guys, it's a new day, another blessing. Thank you, Lord God. Let's go. So for today's vlog, what we're gonna do is we're gonna have our first catering for this year. Yes! Alright, so ngayon, dito kami ngayon sa charging station. Charge lang namin si Asher para ready na siya mamaya, no? And while we are waiting for the charge, kita nyo naman guys, sobrang lamig na dito ngayon. We're going to have a coffee. Kami ni Mami, kasama ko syempre si Mami. Yan. Alright, kita si Mami. Hello. Ayan si Mami. Punta kami Starbucks. Yan, Starbucks medyo foggy. Kita nyo naman guys, ha? Sobrang foggy ngayon. So, magkakape lang muna kami. And then later, punta na kami doon sa events place para mag-set up. Tapos babalik ulit ako ng kitchen para magluto naman kami ng team ko doon. Okay guys.
Okay, magkano ko yun? It's ano?
Kita mo guys. Mamaya kasi bakbakan ulit. Alright guys, let's go. Relax muna bago ang bakbakan. Alam niyo guys, excited lagi kami to have an event. Ito yung aming mga looking forward sa mga event. Kasi nga nakaka-excite mag-serve, nakaka-excite mag-host ng mga party. Kasi syempre kami yung caterer. Kami yung mahala sa mga pagkain at sa mga tao. So, wala. Priceless yung feeling pagka syempre na-appreciate ng mga tao yung ginagawa mo. Yun nga, marami nakaka-appreciate yung pagkain, yung setup. So ngayon, pag nag-event kami, one day, ano na yun, talagang busy na kami. Kasi sa umaga, setup, sa hapon naman yung pagkain. And then sa gabi, maglilinis, pack up na kami. Pero nakakapagod, pero sobrang saya namin pagkatapos. Sobrang saya, lalo na ako syempre. So yun guys, so looking forward for our first catering for this year, 2026. And we have 13 weddings for the summer so far. That is already booked. And we're still accepting mga inquiries at saka mga bookings pa for this year. Not only this summer, syempre. Alright guys, I'll see you guys later. Kape lang muna. Okay, bye-bye. Hi guys, so andito na tayo sa St. Clair of Assisi dito sa Port Coquitlam. And yes, kasama natin si Asher. And sa ngayon, what we're gonna do is we're going to set up. We're gonna set up fast and then so that we can go back to the kitchen as soon as possible para makapag-prepare naman tayo ng mga pagkain. This will be a dinner service. Time check, ngayon ay alas 9 ng umaga, 9 a.m. And we're gonna do a setup. Okay guys, maghapon tayo dito. Alright, so pakita natin sa inyo kung ano yung setup namin. So yun guys, nakapag-set up na kami. So ngayon, we're gonna go back sa kitchen para magluto. Kasama ng team natin doon. Okay guys? Alright, see you guys later. Bye-bye! Hi guys! So nandito tayo ngayon sa kitchen. Ngayon, magluluto muna tayo ng mga simple lang. Simple lang yung kasi mga putahin nila. Pero we're just gonna show you yung mga hot meals na gagawin namin for them. Okay guys? Watch this. Let's go.
Oo, ay, ang bango, ay busog na. Ah. Papatayin ko na.
Guys, ngayon tapos na natin lutuin lahat. We're going to the event na, no? Para mainit na mainit pa lang. Lahat ng pagkain natin, nilagay na natin lahat sa hotbox. Everything is in the hotbox now and ready to serve. And yeah, so by the time that we get there, mainit na mainit pa yun, guys. So, yun guys, so let's go. Kasama natin si Asher. Yan. Alright, let's go. Hi guys, so andito na ulit tayo sa venue sa St. Clair Assisi, dinner time na. So yan guys, so nandun sila sa loob and we're going to set up the food now. Okay guys, watch this, see you guys later. Hi guys, so set up na tayo for tonight and so waiting na lang tayo na mag-line up sila and ito yung ano natin, yung mga pagkain natin for tonight tsaka yung setup namin. Watch this. So guys, so while they are lining up, actually, dito sa company ito yung company ng Alternative. So, shout out kina Tita Georgie for having us to be a part of your celebration for this January. And yeah, so kakain na sila guys. So let's wait for them.
So either at Heritage Gardens or any other event. Year 2, yeah, last year you were here. But this is more extravagant this year, Chef.
Thank you.
This is really beautiful. Thank you.
Thank you, thank you.
All right, so I know we're all excited, but
Hi Tita, thank you for having us.
Sure, anytime.
Salamat po.
Great food.
Thank you po. Thank you. Thank you po. Say hi. Ito po.
We love the caldereta.
Oy, dito po. Meron pa. Tama-tama. Thank you.
Best.
Tita.
Hi.
Thank you po.
Nice to see you again.
Nice to see you, Tita. Happy New Year po sa inyo lahat.
Hi! You cannot go wrong on Dale's Catering Services, so try it.
Alright, thank you po. Hi po. Hello.
Hello, Chef. Hello, Chef.
Hello po.
Thank you. Oscar.
Welcome po sa aking vlog.
Oh, may vlog ka?
Opo.
Oh, hello, vlog. Live ba yan, right?
Hindi pa po. Baka po bukas. So, sa
Sige, pakita.
Yes po.
Magpapalo kami.
Opo, thank you po.
Welcome, vlog.
Makapanood na po kayo sa Pilipinas.
Yes, now.
Thank you po. Kamusta po yung pagkain namin?
Masarap.
Okay. Thank you po.
Okay. Saan ang place nyo?
Sa Langley po kami.
Sa lang.
Thank you po. Yes po. So guys, everybody's eating now and hopefully magustuhan nila yung ating pagkain hinanda. And I think gusto naman nila, no? But anyway guys, I'm so happy, blessed, and feel honored today because right now it's our first catering for this year. Yon, di ba? So ngayon, baya naman tayo, pakita natin sila, no? Kumakain na sila lahat dito. Setup pa lang namin, okay na, panalo na kayo. So if you guys are looking for a caterer and gusto niyo yung setup namin and gusto niyo matikman yung mga pagkain namin, we also offer food tasting prior sa signing of the contract and para matikman niyo yung mga ihahanda namin o mga hinahanda namin sa wedding or sa mga parties, no? So let us know, shoot us a DM, email us, and so that we can connect to you and help you with your concerns or help you on your future events. All right, guys. See you guys. Bye-bye. Hi guys. So mission accomplished tayo. So another mission accomplished today. And now nasa bahay na kami. And it's time to relax. It's time to take a rest, no? And I'm with my son and with my daughter. Hi, say hi.
Hi.
Did you miss Daddy?
Yes.
How much?
Very much.
Very much? Oh, kiss Daddy first. And one thing siguro na babaunin ko tonight is there was one customer who came up to us and she said that she really likes yung presentation namin, na-appreciate niya, and kasi daw, nag-elevate daw yung Filipino food. And sabi niya, the way you guys cooked it, the way you guys presented it, the way yung lasa nito talagang kakaiba, sobrang sarap. And nakakataba talaga ng puso as a kusinero, as a chef. Yun yung talagang pinakang price namin sa ginagawa namin, sa passion na binibigay namin dito. And yun nga guys, so doing this, natutupad yung mission namin, no? To really to elevate yung Filipino food so that may present namin to not only to the Filipino people but also sa lahat ng klase ng tao na meron dito sa Canada, that they can have a chance to try our food, no? So yun talagang at ma-appreciate nila yung pagkain Pilipino. So with that, maraming po salamat, and thank you so much Tita Georgie. Alternatives for always choosing Dale's Catering Services. Meron kayong mga events, at maraming po salamat, at isa kayo sa aming mga suking kliyente. So maraming po salamat dyan. Every year yan, consistent talaga sila sa mga events nila. Kami talaga yan ang kinukuha talaga ng Alternatives. If you guys are looking for a caterer who can cater any kinds of event, kung nakikita niyo itong setup na ito ngayon, kung gusto niyo yung ganyan setup, this setup and all the food that you're seeing here is just $55. And yes, guys, tama, you heard it right, $55 per head. So yan guys, per head po tayo. And all are included, the plates, the glasses, the warmers, the setup, the napkins, the cutleries, the juice, the dessert, lahat na nakikita niyo dyan ngayon. Just $55 per head. So if you guys are looking for a caterer who can cater any kinds of event, kung yan is packed meals, you know, if you're looking for hot lunches sa school, kaya rin namin gawin yan. And for wedding, birthday, anniversary, binyag, you know, and party or barbecue party sa summertime, let us know so that we can help you on your future event. DM us, comment down below, email us, follow us on our Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram account so that we can connect to you and help you on your future event. From the bottom of our hearts, maraming po salamat, and for always watching and following and supporting our vlogs and our video. Malaking tulong po ito. Maraming po salamat, and have a good night. God bless you guys on our next event. Bye-bye.